You cite highlights like therapies like Vivustim.
So Vivostim is a new FDA-approved device for chronic ischemic stroke survivors. So right now, it's only approved for ischemic stroke survivors, which that's the blood clot kind. Um,
Right.
so if someone has had a ischemic stroke and they are 6 months and up. So what's great about this is there is no end date. You can have had your stroke 30 years ago and you can still be a candidate for this device. And I have seen it with my own two eyes. It works wonders. The device itself, just the device getting implanted, isn't going to be a magic on-off switch. The key part that happens is when we pair it with that good neurotherapy that you should be getting, of that high intensity, high repetition. Right when you're doing a movement, the therapist is going to press a button and it's going to release neuromodulators into the brain from a vagus nerve stimulation that is going to optimize the brain's potential for recovery. We have had people that had difficulty moving their arm and they're playing in their bass guitar again. They're making dumpling soup. They're driving a skid loader and cutting the grass. And I mean, it is truly amazing to see the recovery happen, and it happens so quickly for these individuals.
I've heard of stories of people regaining complete use of their
Really.
arms.
But yeah, people have been having great results with it, and it's a wonderful thing for stroke survivors because there really hasn't been much for long-term upper extremity returns. So if anyone is interested in Vivustim, I say reach out to your local team and therapist and see if you could be a
Yeah,
candidate for it. I think don't give up hope. One of the biggest things that I found is specifically for stroke survivors, our healthcare system wrongfully strips hope from these individuals when they never should have. But it's giving people the hope to continue recovery that was there all along. They just didn't have the proper resources and tools available to them at that time. I think recovery is always happening. Recovery is always happening. You are
exactly.
walking, breathing proof that recovery continues to happen and happens at the higher pace when you have all the right resources in place.